practical way, how many of them they have selected the topic, exactly what you have learned after doing all the RM session and practical things. One by one, if entire group can present, it will be better, or any of them they can present by showing their assignment, it will be okay for me. So group number 1, be ready. All the member, roll number 1 to roll number 5 with the group leader 8102. Don't waste much of time.
Sir, are you talking about the research problem that we had to make? Are you talking about that?
Whatever you have done in research methodology, everything.
Okay.
Let me start with roll number 1. Quickly.
Good morning, sir. I'm Manisha, roll number 1.
Assignment.
Sir,
You have not shown the assignment till today. Manisha, be quick, don't waste my time.
Sir, I have not selected any topic. Our group has not selected any topic in which we have to work. I didn't have any clue that we have to do this. I was not present, I think so.
Can you come again? I'm unable to hear you. Can you be louder?
Sir, the group topic you were talking about, sir, I didn't have any idea that we have to make any research project. Our leader told us to complete our notes.
Whatever you have written as an assignment.
Oh, as a
What
notes.
your
Notes,
leader has taught you, man. What are the elements of research methodology? What do you mean by review of literature?
Sir, review of literature means to have a background check of the...
Rule number 2.
Yes, sir.
Show me your assignment, what you have shown us on
Yes, sir.
24th of March, if I'm not wrong. After that.
So this is the book.
दिखाया उसके बाद का बताइए. This we have no. चलो उसका कोई अप्लाई किया, मैंने बार बार बोला था. Have you applied with considering any research problem and focusing further? This we have seen. Don't show us this again, Varsha.
Yes, sir.
Have you applied this thing by considering any topic, any title?
Sir, currently. No, sir, not exactly, but the topic I chose, the ballooning unemployment in Mumbai suburban. I'm currently working on that, sir.
What is the topic?
Ballooning unemployment in Mumbai suburb due to COVID.
What is the objective? The title is wrong. What are the objective? How many review you have done?
So the exact title is to study the ballooning unemployment in Mumbai suburb region during COVID.
Is it written somewhere?
And the objectives
have you typed these things? Or just orally you are taking hypothetically and stating to the student? Is it
Sir, actually I'm not Actually, I cannot hear you, sir. Please repeat.
Is it mentioned somewhere? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I even I have sent you the small abstract gist of that.
Where it is?
Lastly, when I presented my topic.
Others also, na Varsha.
Okay, sir.
this much time I should not give to any student. You people are taking so much of time for examination here. We don't understand.
Just a minute, sir. Done. Actually, the data is not getting pasted. 1 minute.
Enjoy. Roll number 3.
Yeah, sir.
You have not shown us assignment till the date. Not a single time. Okay. See, it is there with
sir.
us. Entire schedule, when I have taken assignment, when who have done it, every detail is there with me. Okay. And today I am taking your Viva. It is 15th April. So be careful. I have all the data and accordingly the marks.
Sir, actually, sir, actually, I have shown my notebook to you, as well as I have shown my notebook to all my
So I'm
class.
just intimating you, you have not shown us not to me, to entire class, your assignment for the single day. We have asked several times. Chalo, show your assignment book. Be quick. And their application.
Sir, one second, sir, one second. Sir, actually, I'm not getting my
What is
books.
the definition of research design? What do you mean by sampling?
Hello.
Or Viva is also over.
Hello.
Roll number 4.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, be quick.
Sir, I have shown you na book.
You have not shown me. In my record, it is not there.
Yes, sir.
Quickly. Next roll numbers, be ready. Time waste नहीं करने का. मेरे पास time नहीं है.
Sir,
How many different techniques of data collection we have? What do you mean by sampling? Very bad. Roll number 5.
Yes, sir.
Be ready. चलो बताओ. You have also not shown me an assignment
Yes, sir.
till the date. This is the first time
Sir,
you
can
show
I-
us the assignment.
Sorry, sir. Sir, can I submit by tomorrow?
No, exam by tomorrow नहीं होता है. What do you mean by research design? जनवरी से अभी तक नहीं किया 4 महीने में, tomorrow करेगा तू? तुम्हारे हिसाब से एग्जाम होगा क्या?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
So even I am sorry that you are going to fail. फेल करके तेरे को सॉरी बोलूंगा तो चलेगा क्या?
No, sir.
Then जनवरी से अभी तक सुधरा नहीं है तू.
Sir, actually, I'm pursuing CA, so actually my classes.
तो you clear
Timing
CA and you became fail in SY BAP. CA कर ले वही काम आएगा. BAP करने की क्या जरूरत है? You do CA only. Roll number 6.
yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, I have shown my book already.
6. No. In my record, it's not there.
Okay,
7 is
sure.
there. 10 is there. 6 ने नहीं बताया. झूठ नहीं बोलने का मेरे को.
So is it visible?
Roll number 6. What do you mean by sampling?
sampling is like we collect samples for analysis, different types of samples.
Eh? What is the difference between population, universe, and sample? PCR, your class performance is pathetic. They don't know R of research. I'm very sorry to say, but I think I have wasted my time over here. If I would have been another division, I would have invested my time. मेरे को लगता है 4 महीने मैंने unnecessary the time waste किया. If I could have utilized this time for other student, it would have given me better result. Roll number 7. See, out
Yes,
of these
sir.
20, these students should not expect more than 1 or 2 marks.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have started a research on homelessness in Mumbai.
7 ने 2 बार assignment भी बताया. Yes. बताओ बेटा किसमें की है?
I have done a research on homelessness in Mumbai.
Homeless?
Homelessness in Mumbai.
हाँ तो बेटा उसका पहले टाइटल चेंज करो. मैंने बार बार बोला है, ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते. ये न्यूज़पेपर का टाइटल नहीं है. लिखना पड़ेगा
Research
स्टडी ऑन
homelessness.
और रिसर्च ऑन, ऐसा कुछ डालना पड़ेगा.
मैंने सर ऐसा लिखा है, रिसर्च ऑन होमलेसनेस इन मुंबई.
रिसर्च नहीं करो, उसको स्टडी कर दो.
ठीक है सर.
ओके.
मैंने अभी मतलब
उसके
सर मैं अभी तक उस पर पहुंचा, केस स्टडी पे. मेरे पास डेटा नहीं है इसका अब तक.
नहीं. अभी ये बताओ आपने इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या लिया है उस पे?
इंट्रोडक्शन में मैंने उस पे पहले होमलेसनेस का पूरा मीनिंग ये सब डाला और फिर उसके नीचे उसके लॉ और जो प्रोग्राम होमलेसनेस के लिए हुए हैं वो सब लिखा है उनके ऊपर.
So this research is case study based research.
Yes sir, I have
Different
taken one case study.
Very nice. You
और
are going to get good marks because you have shown me the assignment also. You are the leader of this batch. On 25th of Feb, 26th of Feb, etc. etc.
yes sir.
बाद में मेरे से एक बार एग्जाम खत्म हो जाने दो, अगर कोई गाइडेंस होगा तो लो एंड कंटिन्यू विद दिस टॉपिक.
Okay sir.
नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर 8. अभी तक असाइनमेंट नहीं बताया एक बार भी. रोल नंबर 8 एब्सेंट है, so let me mark absent. रोल नंबर 9.
Yes, sir.
You have also not shown me the assignment till today.
Yes, sir.
आज तुम लोग असाइनमेंट लेके क्यों बैठे हो भाई?
नहीं सर, उस दिन
What
दिखाया
do you
था
mean by
आपने रोल नंबर,
measurement of
उसमें
central
मेंशन भी किया था.
चलो बी क्विक, आज मेरे पास उतना टाइम नहीं है. बंद करो ये सब नौटंकी. बोलो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मेजरमेंट ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी?
मेजरमेंट ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी.
मेजरमेंट ऑफ डिस्पर्सन.
नहीं सर, इसका आइडिया नहीं. सैम्पलिंग का सर
एक
आइडिया.
बार पढ़ जो लिखा है ना. क्या सोचा मैं बार बार सैम्पलिंग ही पूछूंगा क्या? रोल नंबर 10. रोल नंबर 10. You have shown us assignment for the 3 time. 24th, 26th, 12th March. Is roll number 10 is present or I should mark them absent? Let me mark absent only.
Sir, she is showing the research.
Roll number 10. ये तो roll number 16 बोल रहा है. I'm talking about roll number 10.
Yes, sir, but उसका शायद आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, but she is showing the research in laptop.
उसको बोलो आप बोलेगी तो आवाज आएगा. खासकर सुप्रिया दुबे. No, we can't hear you. It's not me. Entire class should be witness to get your marks. Okay, log out. Okay. Yes, you can rejoin. Roll number 11. Roll number 11, 8111. Absent. Roll number 12.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. You have also not shown me the assignment till today. हंसना बेटा, देखना कैसे ये सब्जेक्ट में फेल करता हूँ, तो हम हंसेंगे. चलो, क्विकली असाइनमेंट है.
No,
नहीं
sir.
लिखा है कुछ. What do you mean by measurement of central tendency? What is the meaning of? इससे अच्छा तो एब्सेंट हो जाता था, आके फेल होने से अच्छा. Number 13. मुंह दिखाने
Yes,
के लिए
sir.
दिखाने का.
Hello.
Roll number 13.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, I have done research study on employment conditions provided in office or different environment condition or behavior in the office done with the employees like in conditions like it is
दिखाओ.
like we have taken.
स्टूडेंट्स को दिखाओ.
1 second, sir.
जो लिखा है उसमें इंट्रोडक्शन
एक
में क्या
second.
लिखा है, ऑब्जेक्टिव में क्या लिखा है, हाइपोथेसिस क्या किया है, कौन से टूल्स अप्लाई कर रहे हो, बताओ बच्चों को.
Yes, sir.
एक
Sir,
second,
model
एक second.
management.
ओके, ये सारे वेरिएबल्स लिए हैं क्या तुमने?
Yes, sir. Model management. बाद में उसके बाद में how it's done optimization.
ओके,
Yes.
गुड गोइंग.
And बाद में
Yeah.
select taxonomy.
And you have shown me assignment
What,
also
sir?
on 25th March.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 14, leader of this group.
Yes, sir.
Roll
Sir.
number 14.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, I have done research. I have studied on dowry system. I have made an Word document on it.
Can you guys be louder little? क्या
Sir, I have
थोड़ा
made,
अच्छी
sir.
तरह से बोल पाएंगे ताकि अदर स्टूडेंट भी सुने?
Sir, I have researched on the dowry system.
रिसर्च ऑन?
Dowry system.
हाँ, तूने बोला था, बट ऐसे नहीं कर
Yes,
सकते. स्टडी ऑन करना पड़ेगा तुमको.
Yes, sir. I have made a Word document. Whatever I have researched on it. Should I present?
Show the entire class what you have done.
Sir, can I present? Will you allow me to present? I have made a Word document.
We are unable to hear you.
Sir, I have made a Word document. Will you allow me to present
Yes,
it?
why not?
Yes, sir. Please.
You can share your screen, no problem. Everything is allowed.
So, this first abstract. This is the
Wait,
introduction.
थोड़ा slow जाओ बेटा, थोड़ा slow. Good. Very nice. Others just see. It is
Themes
not
and
only
objectives.
study, but application also what we have studied. I want this kind of outcome from the student. ना कि सिर्फ जो पढ़ा बस उसको implement करना भी important.
Methodology. This is methodology.
Very good.
Content.
Very, very good.
Conclusion.
Now, if you find any difficulties, feel free to contact and we will continue this research till our 6th semester.
Okay.
You can stop sharing your material so that other student can get chance.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. 15.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. ये तो sincere बच्चा है. What do you have implied? क्या किया अभी तक?
Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, assignment here.
Rather tell us. अच्छा, measurement of central tendency में क्या क्या आता है रीना?
Mean, median, and mode.
बस. और measurement of dispersion में?
Sir, I don't know.
Mean deviation from median, range, quartile, standard deviation.
हाँ इसमें सब है.
Okay. Can you bring light on parametric
Yes, sir.
and non-parametric or metric and non-metric data? What are the difference between metric data and non-metric data?
Sir, I was not there in lecture, so I don't know.
Okay. Rule number 10.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, can I share my screen? I have done research.
Yes, you can.
Sir, is it visible?
Dekho. Very nice. Others just see. This is what we expect. Wait, बेटा धीरे धीरे बच्चे लोग को सीखना है. ऊपर जाइए और ऊपर जाइए. Start with the title. Yes, this was the title of the things. A study on overspeeding of vehicle among BAF student of Thakur College of Science and Commerce. मुंबई लिखना जरूरी है.
Yes, sir. Changes करने हैं, आपने बताया था.
Okay, ठीक है. Students. Okay, fine. Keywords, very nice. Introduction, very good. अभी introduction में ना facts and figure डालो. Okay. Due to overspeeding, how many accident caused in entire world, in entire India, then entire Mumbai, then in our
Actually वो
region.
मैंने secondary data में डाला, but मैं वो उसको shift कर दी.
नहीं, यहाँ पे जब भी introduction में आप data डालते हैं ना, facts and figures, तो पता चलता है कि this research is so very important. Everyone should go for such kind of research. Next, review of literature. Review of literature के बाद research gap आना बहुत जरूरी है. चलो ठीक है. Next.
Okay. Objectives.
अभी रिव्यू में आपने कोई भी ऐसा रिव्यू नहीं किया है जो किसी ने भी इससे रिलेटेड स्टडी करा हो. So वो एक important है to study the speeding pattern, to study the awareness. Awareness पहले आएगा. Okay. Identifying the time resulting. Very nice. At least good attempt. आगे जाओ. Research methodology, research design. Very nice. Sources of data. Very good. Primary data. Next. Very good. Wow. See, she has also came up with the result only in percentage form, but subsequently you can go for a t-test, etc. also, p-value also. Good attempt. Very good. Rule number 10.
Thank you, sir.
Now you have to conclude of your research. No, without seeing that. बगैर देखे इसको आपको पता होना चाहिए कि सर ये होता है, ऐसा होता है।
सर एक्चुअली मैंने जो सर्वे किया उसके अकॉर्डिंग लोगों को इसके ये पता है, कॉजेस पता है कि ओवर स्पीडिंग से क्या होता है। देन टू इफ 60 किलोमीटर पर जोन का एरिया है तो भी उनको स्पीड हाई करना ही है। एंड उसमें से कुछ लोगों के पास ये नहीं है, लाइसेंस नहीं है, देन टू वो ड्राइव
It
करते
is a
हैं।
request from all of you to kindly be nearer of your mic so that it is audible to entire class. But very good attempt.
Okay.
Roll number 10. You can stop sharing now.
Okay, sir.
For roll number 16.
Yes, sir. I have done a research on a study on learning, e-learning due to COVID-19 among TCSC learners.
Go ahead. Keywords. Very nice. देखो मैं सोच रहा था ऐसे ही कि सब मेरा मेहनत वेस्ट गया, बट 2-3 बच्चों ने तो अच्छा काम किया। गुड। इसमें थोड़ा मॉडिफिकेशंस वगैरह की जरूरत पड़ेगी। So have you started collecting data?
No, sir. I have not
Angel?
started collecting. No, no.
So you start collecting the data, right? Continue with that research and try to see, if someone has done this kind of research, which kind of tools they have applied, what kind of techniques they have applied for testing their hypothesis, etc., etc.
Okay.
Very good.
Sir, also we have done a group research also. So I have done individual, so I am showing you individual.
Group wise,
another,
what is there? Because you are only the leader. You are the leader
yes,
of your
means-
group.
Yes, we have also done that also. So we can show that.
What
Means
was that?
not research on finance literacy. So not me, but others can show.
Very good. Very good. I'm very happy being you selected as a leader for this group. Entire group will get marks. And they should give thanks to you. Being the
Yes, Sagar can share the screen.
Yeah, please go ahead. Other group member. Roll number 17. (17, 18, 19). Unmute yourself. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
If it is so, then this group is definitely going to get good marks. And leader is going to get full marks. चलो उनको बोलो that financial literacy वाला बताने के लिए. Ask them. Who is Sagar? What is his roll number?
8118.
8118. नहीं है. 8117. Kyati.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Sir, I am there.
Yeah, so go ahead.
Sir, I can't share the screen. Prinjal, you can share, please.
Yeah, Prinjal.
Yes, sir, wait, I'll do. Huh?
Go ahead, share the screen. Let others. Yeah, very good. This is what the group wise things are moving very professionally. Very nice. Very nice. Other group member, tell me what you have understood with this research.
So according to this financial literacy rate, we have done the primary data on the research part, like asking questions to the students or the teachers about what is the finance among them. According to their view, we have got the answers and we have done the analysis part also. That
So now
what's
what
the
I am finding where you guys are lacking, still entire class is doing the, percentage form. Whereas I have taught you t-test, getting the p-values, applying those p-values, etc., etc. So this is very raw and basic part, but still you have done it very, very effectively. So definitely,
Sir,
but you have
and
to go ahead a little more as far as presenting and analyzing the data is concerned. Yes, Pranjal, tell me.
sir, Alisha has also helped us in this. Roll number 8106.
and 8120 Parker also, Shubham Parker also,
81.
He's in the group only, yaar.
and 8125 and 8125 Bhaskar Shanoy.
Actually, we have done this with 5 to 6 people. Also, Supriya has also helped us in this.
Supriya has got good marks.
Yeah, Supriya.
Yeah, Shubham Parker and Bhaskar Shanoy.
Alisha also.
Yeah,
Roll number,
Alisha
roll
also.
number, I don't know their name. I am not knowing them.
8106.
Sir, 8125.
So see, I will give them marks provided they will apply certain statistical tool into it with applying t-test, at least t-test, and getting me the p-value.
So, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then their marks should be improvised.
Fine, sir.
Next.
Sir, all roll numbers have done. 8106,
we have done.
8110.
So very soon, I think there are only 2.5 minutes. This meeting is getting over, but again, you please rejoin because we have to conduct this Viva, and I believe your next lecture is from 11. That is why I have taken the leverage of these 2 sessions so that I will be in a position to complete your project presentation Viva by tomorrow. अगर खत्म हो जाता है नेक्स्ट ग्रुप प्लीज ज्वाइन. सो इसमें आपका रोल नंबर कौन कौन आया?
8106.
No.
Yes,
उनका कल
16.
बात करेंगे. 16 was there, 17 was there,
18,
और
19, 20.
18, 19,
20.
बट उन लोगों का तो मुझे वॉइस भी सुनाई नहीं दिया. Who are those? 18
Yeah.
सुना मैंने, 17 नहीं सुना मैंने.
Yes, sir.
What was your contribution? 20 का भी मैंने वॉइस नहीं सुना.
Sir, I have done for both of the groups, like 81, like this group and another group also, research project.
Okay.
So
What was the title
I'll
of these 2 groups?
first is pseudo-feminism and this one is financial.
Can you come again, beta, Shubham?
Financial literacy and pseudo-feminism.
Okay. Okay, it is getting over this meeting. So we'll be joining immediately with the same login ID password. All of you please join so that we can continue further groups, project presentation and their vivas. ख्याति ने कुछ नहीं बताया अभी तक. 17